The many sounds of Jerry Lee. A half-hour experience with one of America's most dynamic personalities, the fantastic Jerry Lee Lewis.
You know you make me want to shout, shout, hold my hand back, shout, have my head back, shout, hold my head back, shout, come on now, shout, shout, I play shout, shout, oh shout, shout, yeah shout, shout, come on shout. Say you will, say you will, say you will, say you will. Say that you love me, say that you want me, say that you need me, ain't it gonna leave me, come on now, come on now, come on now, come on now.
I can still remember when I used to be 9 years old. I went on for you from the bottom of my soul. And now that you're older, yeah, you're old and not too low. You say you wanna leave me, or you wanna hurt me so.
Because I feel, oh, I feel, you know I feel, and I'm gonna feel, and I gotta feel, all right.